So for the next problem, we're going to tackle about one sample test. So the question: during our survey, a student claims that 1/8 of student population, both coming from DLSU and CSB, smokes cigarettes. In a random sample of 100 students, 15 are cigarette smokers. Test the students' claim where alpha equals to 0.10. So let's proceed to the PHStat program. So click on PHStat, then go to the one sample test on the list, then choose Z-test for the proportion. Then null hypothesis. The null hypothesis is the 1/8 which is stated in the problem. And its equivalent to decimal is 0.125. And the level of significance, which is also stated in the problem as an alpha, is 0.10 or 0.10. And the number of success in the problem is the 15. Sample size, also stated in the problem, is 100. So, on the test options, we will choose the two-tailed test. And so, name the table as one sample test. Okay. Then, a table will be shown that on the two-tailed test, you can see that it is stated that do not reject the null hypothesis. Then, the Z-test statistic is 0.756. So that concludes our third problem. So for the last question, which is a two-sample test question, a recent survey stated that college students from DLSU smoke less than college students of CSB. In a survey of 39 students from DLSU, 20 students said they smoke at least 17 sticks a day. In a survey of 56 students from CSB, 30 students say they smoke at least 17 sticks a day. At alpha equals to 0.05, can you support the claim that the proportion of DLSU college students who smoke at least 17 sticks of cigarettes a day is lower than the proportion of CSB college students who smoke at least 17 sticks a day? So proceeding to the PHStat program, from the list, click the two sample test and after that, click the Z-test for differences in two proportions. So, the hypothesized difference, the formula is Z equals to P hat 1 minus P hat 2 minus parenthesis P1 minus P2 all over square root of PQ times 1 over N1 plus 1 over N2. So, the hypothesized difference is 0.22, which is solved by the group. The level of significance, as stated in the problem, is the 0.05, which is the alpha. So, the number of success is the 20. So, it is the first, so this is for the DLSU, so 20. And the next is sample size, which is from the DLSU, is 39. And the number of success for CSB, which is the population number 2, is 30. Sorry. And the sample size is 56 for CSB. And from the test options, we choose the lower tail test. And we will name it as the table as two sample table, and press OK. So as we can see, the table, these are the inputted values from the previous window, and these values are the crucial values that we need. And this is the output of the pH stat for the question number 4. And as you can see, it is stated that do not reject the null hypothesis. So that concludes our 4th question. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Op.